Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 256 to the power of x is equal to 1 over x. So to solve this, I'm going to start off by taking the power of 1 over x on both sides. So I get 256 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 1 over x to the power of 1 over x. Now from here, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 256 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x is the same thing as 256 to the power of x times 1 over x. And x times 1 over x, well, these two are reciprocals to each other, meaning the numerators and denominators are swapped. So whenever you multiply two reciprocals, it always equals 1. So I'm left with 256 to the power of 1 is equal to 1 over x to the power of 1 over x. And 256 to the power of 1 is just 256. From here, 256 is the same thing as 2 times 128. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm trying to rewrite 256 in the form a to the power of a, so a number to the power of that same number, because this is in the form 1 over x to the power of 1 over x. They're both the same. So I want the base and the exponent to be the same. So 2 and 128, well, these aren't the same. So now I can rewrite it as 2 times 64, which is the same thing as 4 times 64, and 4 and 64 aren't the same. Now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 32 times 2. So I get 4 times 2, which is 8. So now I have 8 times 32. And these aren't the same again. So now I'm going to rewrite this 32 as 2 times 16. And 8 times 2 is 16. So I get 16 times 16. And these two are the same. So this means that 16 times 16 is equal to 256. Well, 16 is equal to 4 squared, so I have 4 squared times 4 squared. And if I have something from a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n, meaning these two add up. So I'm left with 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 over x to the power of 1 over x. So this means that 4 is equal to 1 over x, and x is equal to 1 over 4. So this is my solution.